I'm going to show you a quick upper body exercise that really helps to open up your chest and give you better posture. So go ahead and wrap your tubing up around your hand. Don't do it around your wrist. And I'm going to start to compress across my sternum. And watch, I'm going to go in and behind, so it's really making you open your chest and squeeze your shoulder blades together. So back behind you. The whole concept is to get your shoulder blades to pinch behind you so that you can open your chest. Now, after a long day working at a desk, this feels amazing. It's a great way to work the scapula, the back, upper back, and really take a nice deep breath in while you do this. And I'm gonna do a couple more, and then I'm gonna hold it right across my sternum, and I'm gonna push out. I call these my Hercules arms, because you're driving the walls away from you. So it's a little bit of arm work on top of it, but you're keeping your great posture. Let's do 4 more, and 3, and 2. Hold the last one, open the chest, take a deep breath in. That should have felt great for your upper back and for posture. Until next time.